Apartment Village.
The waiting list here coming up.
Yeah, apartment, RJ. Nice that apartment, RJ,
It's
there.
a great location. Farmington has built up. It was only very small when I first got here 5 years ago.
Yeah.
You too, almost, right?
Yeah.
These are luxury apartments, yeah.
Yep, luxury.
Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances.
What, RJ?
Yeah, we lived here for 2 years when it was brand new. So it was a nice place.
There's the swimming pool there.
Yep. Can't get in there now. You need
Yep.
a key.
No more key.
Playground's like hot. You can only go there. Third floor was nice, but it was kind of a pain walking up 3 flights of stairs every day.
Yep.
Especially when you're carrying
Luxury.
a 24 pack of water.
There's McDonald's.
Look at it. What is it?
I
They
don't know.
put cement. You got dirt on the inside. Look. There we are, Farmington Station. Very nice.
Yep, very nice here to live. So quiet and
Yeah, they've added a lot
have
more
everything.
since we were here. They've added a lot more.
Yeah.
Well, that's what they're probably raising the prices on those apartments.
Yeah.
We were paying $1,200
Yep, no.
or $1,500.
Yeah.
Might be because there's a shortage of apartments and housing, so everything's going up. The whole country's booming. I mean, it's not LA here. LA, I wish we were there. They're really booming. Or Seattle. I don't know where else. New York going
New
up.
York. New York.
Yep, they're booming too.
There's a lot of restaurant here. Hotels up here.
There we are, Farmington Station.
Have Lagoon.
We're going across the street, man.
Yeah.
That's
the
expensive. How
beach.
often do you go there? You know?
Yeah.
Do you have a stop sign? I don't even know.
No.
I had to right away. Didn't even know.
There are no stop signs.
Red Fusion, that's what RJ likes.
It's
Oh.
an Eve.
Drive two now. No concert tonight.
Yep.
Concert tomorrow night. We go.
Tomorrow, RJ.
There's the hamburger place. Uncle Passing Apple store.
There's the Apple store.
Always crowded.
No, it's not
And
crowded.
there's the stage for tomorrow night.
Yeah, there's the
Still there.
stage. Still there. Very nice place here. Nice place
Not
to
gonna
live.
park.
You're not go, RJ.
There's the mountains.
Closer to the mountain.
I don't know who's playing tomorrow. I have to look up on the internet. What band? Go to the place playground tomorrow, OJ. But no slide unless they open it tomorrow night. They never opened it yesterday. There's the movie theater.
There's the movie.
When those planes are driving, you want to go?
Where's the movie theater? Where, honey?
Driving to them, you want to go? Not tonight.
No.
Maybe in 2 weeks. You want to go?
I know.
On a Friday night? Well, the same place we went. We'll get that same spot. It wasn't bad. I liked it. Did you like it?
Yeah, I like it, but so late.
Well, we could just stay for one movie. We'll leave. Okay, here's the other side of the
There's
station.
the side.
Park. We have Blaze Pizza here now. Very popular. It wasn't bad, but it looked very expensive. I
Yeah.
didn't think it was great. It was okay. What do you think, Lady?
I like the Smith that we call honey.
Oh, Smith's chicken and tomato.
Yeah.
There's the slide. It's
There's
closed.
the slide. It's closed, RJ.
There's a couple kids climbing now.
So hot, RJ.
Yeah, people, it's too hot. There's a donut place.
There's donut.
When I went there, look, it's crowded. But they didn't have fresh donuts when I was there, like in the evening. They had stale donuts. So they make them in the morning.
Hotel.
Hyatt Place.
You want to go hotel? You not go?
But Jay likes vacation. A month from now, we'll be going on vacation.
Yeah, book one, RJ.
That's why I gotta look through that book that has hotels. Start making reservations. We'll plan it day to day. The whole trip will be planned.
Yeah.
Instead of us driving in circles looking for a hotel.
Yeah, look like before.
Yep. A lot of nice cars. They're expensive cars too.
Yeah. How many people reach here?
Because these people that own all these businesses making big money. There's an owner for every one of these.
Yeah.
You have several spots in here for electric vehicles.
Yeah.
Tesla, they're selling all electric vehicle now. On one charge, you can go 250 miles. So, well, you set up right down here. They have spots.
Yeah. Yeah, there. Okay, go there.
Yeah, we're going this way.
Oh, we're not yet there.
We came